Ask yourself today, which patterns am I repeating unconsciously? Where is my identity still tied to inherited pain? And how can I consciously choose a new path for myself and for those I influence? Hi, how are y'all guys doing? So I am officially back. I want to share something with you. If you are here for the first time, I thank you for visiting. And if you are returning, I thank you for returning. So I want to talk to you today about breaking cycles, how we heal and step into our true purpose. I want to start with a story. There was a man who betrayed his wife. Years later, their daughter unconsciously repeated the same pattern with her mom. Not out of malice, but because the pain, the unhealed emotions, and the unconscious energy of betrayal were inherited. This is the reality of many of us face. We live through inherited wounds, repeating behaviors that no longer serve us. Until we consciously step in and recognize the pattern and choose differently, we can be healed. Identity is usually formed around these inherited patterns. Who we think we are and how we act is deeply influenced by society and past experiences. For the daughter in this story, her identity was tied to loyalty, anger, and fear of repeating betrayal. For many of us, our identity is shaped by unhealed family cycles, karma patterns, and societal expectations. Recognizing this is the first step. Who am I acting like? Unconsciously. Which behaviors aren't truly mine? Rebirth is the stage of releasing those inherited patterns. The daughter had to see her unconscious actions, understand where they came from, and choose differently. This requires deep emotional work, journaling, reflection, meditation, and sometimes therapy to separate her own identity from the past. Clearing emotional recalibration and preparation for your new self. This is the moment where your soul says, I will not repeat the past. I choose a different way. It's uncomfortable, but necessary. The daughter could now consciously choose her relationships, her responses, and her path. She became aware that she could transform inherited pain into wisdom, healing, and guidance for others. Your soul activating, your gifts emerging, your higher purpose becoming clear. Pain becomes guidance. Lessons become leadership. Cycles become teachings. It's one thing to break cycles internally. It's another to embrace it externally. Someone walking the identity, rebirth, purpose, expressions, path. Your story, your voice, your work can prevent cycles from repeating for others. Ask yourself today, which patterns am I repeating unconsciously? Where is my identity still tied to inherited pain? And how can I consciously choose a new path for myself and for those I influence? If you feel a call to heal, awaken, and guide others, your journey is the map. Your story is the light, and your actions is the bridge. Comment below where you are on your journey. Are you at identity, rebirthing, purpose, or expression? Let's break cycles together. Join me next time for Breaking Cycles. Hope to see you next time.